Hi, this is Iris for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. This is a period of a full moon. Today we are the 5th of April and it's a full moon in Libra, which means that we have to keep our balance because this is a super moon that will affect our emotions. Many people carry the emotions of ancestors without knowing it. So it's a very good period now to take care of your nervous system, because we have a lot of input of the sun these days, and when that input is too much, sometimes you get nervous, you will judge other people, and as soon as you feel that you cannot be yourself anymore, that's the timing to get away, go in nature and pray. Put both of your hands together so to feel your center again, so that you can pray and feel your whole body, your emotions, not the emotions of the others. You are caretakers, and many caretakers, they give themselves away, and then the nervous system is so explosive. So take care of your nervous system now and go and put out your shoes and go on the grass, go on the ground, be in nature to rebalance yourself. This is a really great period because many new information is coming. This is a period to be artistic, to make some music. So put both your hands together and center yourself and go for that transformation. Oha.